Let's take a walk and see how it looks like. It looks like you are done with these weights. It seems like we have shifted our luggages more close to this thing called dates. It's funny how we don't even want to ponder about the outstanding fates. We were supposed to wait. We were supposed to wait with a bated breath for adolescent, a bated breath for tearful intuitions, cause no one is able to define fearful. We were supposed to embrace it all under the words got it and got it right. Cause now, it's worse than I thought. We do it for just in cases in lacking places, yet our conscience works as a reminder to what we were supposed to have in our nesting places, and now it's more like oblique cases. You bless us, you are not blessing us but cursing us. You bless us, you are not blessing us but cursing us. It's true, we have been taken by this youthful embracement and now longing for good in bed with these blessers. Abided the holy book and the honor, our legs unrelinquished on our hymn, impertinent to the Elohim, too busy even for hello to him. Our legs unrelinquished on our hymn, impertinent to the Elohim, we are too busy even for a hello to him. Now we don't even want to cover our bellies with just a simple beat. All we go for is just a pushy beat. Sensho labo kataza labata ukatata tethu ngetimpilo lena mibhubhudlo lethele lethu libhakela shukela mosila kusukela leli luswephu thine sathi shukela. Sesabane sibinzi sekubamba lafana nancamashine wabomake bethu emabele. Sikhule sibabalekela laba betilevu ngobe sesaba ishishi. Ngephake namhla sidlala ngemashishi shishimba nathi thine boshishane yasishikisha bese ke siyashiyeka nasengqondweni sibita ngabo mayifohloza thine bo fohloza bese ke siyashiyeka nasengqondweni suke seyishikishe tingono thite nasemtimbeni. You bless us. You are not blessing us but cursing us. You bless us. You are not blessing us but cursing us. It's true. Our minds are still befuddled and preoccupied. We are too feeble, we can't condone. We re-ask for a hold on. All we go for is just a condom instead of a day for our wedding quotations. We are too feeble, we can't condone. All we go for is just a condom instead of a day for our wedding quotations. Are we gonna stand for it? Don't answer that. They've already motorbiked our bellies, peeled our bananas. I would concur if these toys were broken by the owners or maybe age-mates. We are too nervous, we can't abandon ourselves for help. We refer to that as fuddy-duddy stuff, but this ain't a baby daddy love. Our pride gear should have helped them in pulling down their socks, not our pains and push cases. We have aggravated these long paranoid delusions of ours, but not considering the aftermath. We smirk. Hence, our ecstasy is a leader to this hot soup. It looks like we have swallowed all our pride for these libidinous, unkept silly deeds, and now we are too fatty to run this long life youth marathon. With our future, we've played like Maradona. With our future, we've played like Maradona. You bless us, you are not blessing us but cursing us. You bless us, you are not blessing us but cursing us. Nkhosi.